What's up everybody? My name is Peyton Newcomb. I'm doing video diary number 3. It's on Persuasion for Professor Gonzalez's Intro to Speech class. One thing I picked out from the critical thinking chapter, I believe it's chapter 6, there's a segment on fallacies, and one of them is called the false analogy. And it states, A and B are similar. A has characteristic X, therefore B has characteristic X. And one way that I noticed this in my current job as a stringer, I string rackets. One thing that kind of came up that I noticed was a player came up to me and said, "Hi, I'm using this racket. It's the same racket as this professional." So okay, A and B are similar. Their similarity is a tennis racket. Common. They both have the same black tennis racket. And he said, "Oh, this pro uses a very expensive string called natural gut, and therefore I use natural gut. I use this very expensive string just because he uses it when we have the same racket." And my first thought was, okay, you can do what you want. It's your string. It's your racket. However, I believe that you don't necessarily need that. You don't need that super expensive string because he uses this expensive string because he has arm problems, and that expensive string compensates for hurting his arm. It's very soft, and it will keep his arm healthy. By all means, you can use it. It's gonna not hurt your arm, but he's using it to prevent his arm being hurt / almost heal his arm, and you're using it because he's using it. So in case you want to save money and have your racket, or buy another racket with the money you're saving, instead of buying expensive string, you can buy different string that's maybe not as soft or as expensive, but is still going to help you out just because you don't have that arm problem that he specifically does. So player and pro has similar racket. Pro uses expensive strings, player uses expensive strings. He didn't need to, he doesn't have to. So that's how I noticed the false analogy in my own world. Thank you guys, and I'll see you later.